Hi, I'm Keisha, and I'm a pharmacy technician here at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital. Today I'm going to ask Dr. McIntosh some questions about dog behavior. Dr. McIntosh, when should my dog start training?
As soon as you get your dog can learn things, so start your training right away. Know what to expect from your dog, know what your dog needs to try to expect from you. So absolutely immediately.
What are the most important basic cues my dog should know?
So a lot of times having the ability to sit, having the ability to focus or a hand target, and having the ability to walk on a leash. Those are things that we don't really think about dogs needing to do, but they're definitely things that are important life skills for them to have.
How can I socialize my puppy?
That's a loaded question. Definitely making sure that the dog is exposed to as many things as humanly possible in that initial socialization period, which is really short and really young. Getting them used to handling, getting them used to the outside world, getting them used to things like bathing and crating and car rides. All of those things are part of socialization, so it's not just about your dog being social with other dogs.
Should my dog be punished for bad behavior?
We try to avoid punishment, and we also try to avoid bad behavior. So the ideal situation is teaching your dog what you want it to do so that you never have to tell your dog what not to do.
Is my dog too old to be trained?
Never. There are always things that we can do to teach an older dog new tricks. We can teach younger dogs new tricks. They can all learn. So depending on what the dog's issue is, we can always try to teach them something that helps with their behavior issue.
What should I look for in a dog trainer?
Definitely looking for somebody who doesn't use punishment techniques, looking for people who have positive training only. We do have a list of trainers that we refer to, so if you have questions about trainers specifically, we can get you that list and refer to you to somebody that we've worked with before.
What vaccinations are needed for dog training classes?
So that's a really common question about when can my puppy start training classes, and as long as the class or the training is safe, as long as that class or that trainer knows that the other dogs are vaccinated or knows the status of everybody else, there's no reason why your puppy can't start dog training classes even before it's fully vaccinated, again, as long as you're in a safe space.
What is environmental enrichment and how can it help my dog's behavior?
Environmental enrichment is allowing the dog to play with things in his space, making sure that the dog is always occupied, making sure your puppy always has something to do, and that will help keep your dog from looking for things to do that you don't really want it to, like counter surfing or looking for food in places that it shouldn't.
Thank you, Dr. McIntosh.
Thank you, Keisha. If you have any questions about your dog's behavior, you can give us a call here at Lock Haven, and we can get you scheduled in to chat with a doctor and decide whether or not your dog needs a behavior consult.